Go see on the talk for everywhere that matter. Now they grace. Eh? I've been who they call DNA, CNN, all those local champions, dead among the livings. What's it been a problem?
You are dead. Emonubian are dead.
Take care of themselves. That cannot even construct a simple sentence. Coming to command my own Godfather. God punish all of una.
Punish you. Okay, precious man. Okay, where precious man you there? Wait, kuwa keru wala ni o de pe adu bayala. Iteruwa.
Which of una among the presenters will manage get husband, get happy home like everywhere at home? Abi, which?
If you get happy home, Naomi gets. Na my how I get. You say I don't fit train I don't fit talk to my wife. He carry pikin run, not be he carry pikin run. No. I dey tell you now. You say person wey never fit go Nigeria. Ask people wey know me. I get paper under 1 year. I go Nigeria 3 times. Before my paper get problem, I go Nigeria almost 6 times. Now me go Nigeria, go do my pikin paper before I come Europe. Before I come do DNA for Europe again. What do you know? You will make big like man so. You know person. No way they toast yourself now that man. You too local for woman. You too local for woman as a woman where you say you be. When I see a from room to room here, no gwalekia no. I don't call Papa Owala, I don't call her one day. If it's Asa, me no call her one day. I know they call. If people were here now, all of them call me, but I know they call. Those people want feed, whose generation want feed? If you feed your generation, not feed my generation. If Papa Owala they feed your generation, precious man, you know feed my generation. Ah, better be you buy. Ogo better be you. Zakame, no dan ege. Achawo da, achawo no egi. No ga sele polele musia kia. Uwa huagbo menu wo huagbo ni. Wa ro wodo. You know ashamed of yourself. You cannot make sentence. Sentence will kill you. I just told you I go to school. Did I told you I go to school? I tell you I go from the village. I don't deny my ways. Did I told you I go to school?
When they do something as my neighbor has right, but what they analyze everywhere that matters on social media, now they crazy.
When I share the video. That's why they say DNA. CNN. You know, say Asha what wanna do for Europe. Who are we no give us a bomb house corner? A kid like a yaya that bad by a set wet of your canal latia, not the family that we yes, sorry, or one women, no matter it. Oh, walk better precious mate. Oh, walk money where you are. Oh, make it care what like a yaya out there be set. He get happy home, now go fuck another my wife. Man, when not get happy home, now go the fuck for outside. I want correct you, I want letting you. You say you where they carry back from house to house. They find man where you want fuck. You be better woman, you don't get man for house. As you they talk for this your life, so it's a shout. Man, when see you where they shout like this, no near you. You're a coward. I travel down. Woman precious man went to do the leak. When okay, go cut. Wabuwa, Awashawo. Era weta me with be again man agumobo. Ashawo para. Gawashawo no rewebo. Wa doge mo no do pa shawo webo awu no gi. 100 of una, only me one go faith. 100 of una, only one go faith. I no call Papa Wala one day. Even he fresh when he call me, as at yesterday. When he call me as at yesterday. I no call her one day, I no dial the number. Only person when I call, I be shy you, I say me put quarter down. Plus when the woman, Angelina come talk to me for solo, not only 2 of their call. I no carry Papa Wala dial. Say I want dial the number one day. I did not do it. I'm a man of dignity. I don't sell my pride because of money. If you get your money, now your house you get. The time of my father, Igbenejo did there. Igbenejo B airport build all of them. My papa build 6 rooms. Now that's rooms right for trainers. If you not the worship money, I not the person where they worship money, Precious Meg. When I go call and come. Do you think I'm a coward? Do you think I'm a static illiterate? I want to do what will make my people to happy. You are a nuisance. Presenting yourself in live video, you talk verbally. You say you be woman. Person like me, as me be illiterate, I don't fit toast you. You are a coward. You will be boo. You will be Goliath. Say that one way, wife carry pikin, or we don't fit trade pikin. You know, yesterday my first son, I come from Nigeria. Now university go for this country. You don't spend money for a pikin wey go university instead of take off your wife. Because any woman wey don't do a shower, they know they marry one man. Now some of my papa tell me. Any woman wey don't do a shower, they know they marry one man. Now 2 man, 3 9 at the end. You don't see you now. At your age now, you say you be responsible woman, Precious Meg. You don't get man for house. Now you drive your husband. Me buy ticket for my family. Mo go start better life for that country. All of you know as Spain be. Spain and Italy know as it be for the whole world. I buy ticket for a reason. I say, you see man winning. Like I go, wait till that one come in. Now you the fit them with the day here. Ask people when know me. Now me pay madam money. That's the Papa Wala know. Ask Papa Wala. Now me pay that woman madam money. Ask people when I call somebody. Papa Wala know this boy. Papa Wala know this boy when I want to call. So, me call this person, man, you are a coward. You are a nuisance to the community. I'm a warrior. Ebola ko yo mati we mi aye. Ire la fi ano wotapa. Okay. Ganeru wala na are Madrid we na are Madrid. Owe opono bi emeni. Owe ga no ya anwu na jo pada akoko we a. Waya weto ni ewe emano eme ya so akoli yan. Iso amuyan yo da agbon. Yan no kan ewe ga opalo su lo igbigbi. No we ati e President Megi, no you work piani, no se polo liku ki agbaro piania, no wodo magua. Ona ati e pogun era biye, keki biye no gwara gbe ya o. Ma wa so enia. Ikama here last fight na wa la. Awe mi ma se ti kokomo. Awe mi ma se ti kokomo. E mo te ticket no ko ni ya pare ke lori. We ma change a better life. Ewe ga pale suo no we ere me plus awe ati plala lunek. No gwa suo. Awe what I can take off my generation not anything. Oh, one of us setting the ticket in Nigeria making. Unupa Mejowa, I can't really get to move.
Anybody know eat anything, but no one
we were team no there. We don't team no there. We were team no there. Hey, I can't deport we are in Nigeria. Me man where ever born. We were team no there. We don't go where. You know we are my way. Na way. In my would ever born since then. Una da no me. We you know una go come we na so go we na do go we go. E take we no there. Oh, can the precious place the wound? Yeah, precious place the mammy not 1,000 buy. Or two would me, people play me, or 10 years lawable, and I deport in a moment lawable, in a moment of lawable. Ah, wait, buy precious place. Do you know me? Do you know me, precious man? Oh, what would I say? Take back in me. Precious baby can rule while I'm a rule while I'm there. Imagine, I don't call people because of money. Ah, work by precious baby, you know whatever. Oh, well, no, don't feel no kind less here. No, say, what I saw about a CNN. I want to make my people to be joking, make my people to be happy. I demand, don't that I don't know how to speak it. I want my people to be happy. I put joke in my profile. And now you put when I speak. Let me say, let me speak. I they put joke. Make my people they happy. I want what I said. Everyone I go. Oh, you go away. And what did I get? We need to know. I don't have 6 rooms. If you don't go and pay, I own ye. Everyone I feed you. Feed the generator. What feed you? What done? Now I get by. We no give. We are. I don't want you people. I think I can know. Everyone Zani. You say me not service because now you boys they speak. You say me not service because you now you boys you got to speak so. Because you get to where they smell. Here where Jam New York by Obo boo we are. Even I boy iye o ato mi na gba ma gbe iye o weye. Ya de gbe ti we ba ini mara gwa no de ni ma wenu da we ma tu ni we ya ko ware ma tu ya ti ye me ba we ya ti me no de we ma ka ma ko go we no wale my brother. Okay, ya Ebola ya ti we ba ni gwe. Okay. You can't live it because they run your mad. If you don't want they feed you, he cannot feed me. If he has money for himself. Don't repeat that word again. I did not tell you to call me. I said I will call Papa Uwala. I did not say Uwala should call me. When I watch all my video, the conversation that we make, me with people make when they say they get recording. When they say me the call, I say, Bisugbe call him. Now my right to call Papa Uwala, but I don't call. I say Bisugbe call him. When that one say you get record, so The record when he get, I want make come plan come out, make the world see wetin I talk for inside. Because now wetin I don't like, you know, when you come, when that woman call me say, Prophet Atiti, Bizugbe want to talk to you. This how this is way dey for outside, so e no good. When you come, when I call you, not tell me so you go dey record me any conversation wey you do. What we do? When you don't finish, now you tell say record the day with you. I beg, not be record the way me they do the thing. I want me you go plan. If you be picking with the turtle, anybody when he set recording, you say you record there with anybody when set recording, you know say na he set recording. Wait you go favor and I go talk. Now wait you go favor and I go talk. Now that they not bad person. If you want to do conversation now, we do conversation. Conversation what we do not to repair Benin people, not to make Benin people settle, not to make everywhere calm. For instance, that conversation, person when he talk, he say now waiting until they chop. No be he talking for that conversation. They see they talking for outside. That will not be bad thing, but not to correct them. Any person, anything where person they do for life, you know they do and when not to correct them. If you not put on a mind that we do this thing. Anybody where they misbehave before, where they chop money for live video, where they do anything, now to correct and not be so that they behave. Not be to come play the video, when I take convert, you come they tell the what say, now they say they chop. You are a good presenter. Because you don't know say you record that waiting go favor you for throughout this conversation. Now you go the top for a side. So my people, I beg Ibizugbe may come play the video, come out, make people listen to the video. Forget where anything. Because I know the green me person record me, I know the record person. I know the green me person record me, I know the record person. I dey tell you always say I know be presenter. I dey tell you always. As you talk, I see video where you do yesterday. The video where you see yesterday, I see him. Come play the record, you not let her to take. Come and play the recording. Make the world see what I talk for inside. That woman, I don't feel wrong for her tete. I block her. That woman, you know the woman, I don't feel wrong for her tete. Now she can draw me put for you. You know, say people tell me as person be. If I don't near the person, I don't feel conclude. The day when you talk, I say the conversation day with you, I shock. Now that day, I start to find I want to draw body from your body. So, Ibizugbe, I don't curse you. I never curse you. Now only you want to tell me say you curse my pikin and we make settlement. Put. We don't settle. But this record, when it day with you, I want to make a plan to the world. Any party when I talk for inside, make the world see him. So, I dey tell presenters, any presenter, where you see say, you want to call me for WhatsApp, I block you. If I want to greet you, I greet you. Anytime when I do video, your matter dey for my mind. I go from here and tell you, say, my brother, our pikin, our family, God will bless you. Say you be presenter. Maybe you, where we do all of the presenter, where we don't pass together, where we don't talk together. I don't feel leave your phone. I go must block you for inside my phone. I don't see and say no funa. Na not get help. Few na get help. The rest they be destroyer. How to destroy man, how to destroy woman, I the day. I did not talk to you, Precious Meg. Say I cannot make a sentence. I did not tell you I'm a graduate to start with. When I come to this live video, I did not tell you I'm a graduate. I told you I'm illiterate. That graduate. That know the right from the left. Who are you? Who show you boy you say they speak now? Who show you boy you say they speak Precious Meg? When I bring a comment, when they listen to the Oyibo way they speak. We saying they speak Oyibo so when I bring saying they speak Oyibo, saying they speak Oyibo.
Enough is enough. My coming back will not be nice. So this is the warning and the message. I've been at people where that the World Cup when.
Precious Meg, I'm telling you, I've spent 22 years in Europe today, and I achieved something in Europe. I'm spending 22 years in Europe and achieved something in Europe. Don't look the way I present myself to public. I want my people to be happy. That's why if I'm doing my live video, I used to put joke. Miss Precious Mary, I bet you cannot write a sentence more than me. I bet you. If you say allow me the buy ticket for me and you, they made the drop note for me and you. You are a coward. You are a nuisance to the community. You are a coward. Chachawo come and wait until they leak. I go to pet you if you try me. I go pet you. Go reach your family for us. I did not talk to you. If I say CNN, it's not your business. I want my people to laugh. DNA. If I say CNN, I know how to talk it. I know how to speak it. I know how to talk it the truth. But I want if I'm doing video, I want people, many people are depressed inside the house. I want them to be happy. That's why I put a joke inside. If you define me, Papa Wala, fuck you. Godfather, the day, fuck you now. Now, Godfather, the day, fuck you now. Godfather, my Godfather, before you know, go, oh. If you define me, fuck you, now you all be that. If you feed your generation, I'm telling the word today, Papa Wala cannot feed my generation. If you get the money, now you have to get money. If you go, my see my yiko. If Benin don't dey for inside Benin, my papa build 6 rooms. That's 6 rooms now for trainers. If you people worship money, I don't worship money. I stand by the truth and set me free. If you say more analyze this matter, before I analyze that for 3 months, we'll see the end. If you don't know me, may you know me. And if you reply me again, I'll come back on and analyze this matter. Waiting we'll see for inside this matter. We'll see before 3 months whether we not see if I analyze this matter. Whether we not go all as we detail all of there. Don't try me, oh. Don't try me. If you want me to analyze this, Papa, what that matter, I will analyze this. I will start it again. I will offer my phone. Every day I will begin to analyze it. If you don't know how to talk, better learn how to talk. You see your character, all this one I make my run live una. Your character, presenting yourself in life, you talk anyhow verbally. Usman go see you now. Now to come fuck, he go come out. Now to come kele wawa, now you go come, you go come out. You are not a responsible woman. Then they work, now they take responsible. Ashawo they support Ashawo. Ashawo will go for outside. Ashawo they support her because at the 10 May, they don't tie many of our spirits. They don't dull our spirits. We don't know if they behave as a man again. All those Benin women, some of them for inside, they don't weaken our spirits. They're not active as a man again. Now me they say they talk any woman when una know say your husband drive. Say I don't need you again and when you be now also you be. I go carry put for us. The one way dey for husband house. I don't feel fucking for a matrimonial room. The one way husband abandon, he go tell me the real truth. I go see us information. The one way husband abandon fit carry. The one way husband drive. If you're the driver for this domot now, they can't enter his house. Instantly, they plug on. I go, your plug on because your husband don't drive you. Now me can't get you. Now me can't get you. If you people are talking, you should learn how to talk to people. Not people like us. One word of your mouth, I can analyze it to be thousands. So I can't tell you this morning, if Papa Wala they feed your generation, I'm saying to the world, Papa Wala cannot feed me and feed my generation. Any work when I dey work is my occupation. It's my living end. I don't worship people that have money. I don't worship them. That's why they say all things cannot be equal. I not call her one day Precious Meg. I not call Papa Wala. The conversation what we do, as we take it for the conversation where a Bizugbe say record the day with an hour. Bizugbe not tell me say you want to record me when we start the conversation. I will take position people. He say he believe say I will try, I will fit try. If me with a join together, I will try. I don't know say the record me. You will record me. Where would they do conversation? You don't know say they put up for conversation, they put up for recording. Now the side way go favor you, now you go do. Now the side way go favor you, now you go talk, go. But make they come play my home, make people know. Person when they talk truth, make they come play my home, make people see ya. If I talk anything bad thing, now then people know say I not be better person. But what I mean the first for? Person not the record me, I not the record person. Now what are they forbid? See that one way wife run relief. What did me do for that woman? What did me do for that woman? Man, where you born for not doing for you. Even though now you born you marry, he not doing for you. And they take my house the pride today, and they take on the pride. We not be man where they look woman money. Oh. What we need, me woman get respect. He go dey sexy because me not sexy man. He go dey sexy, he go dey celebrate for me. Now be with me at the I go dey take his hand back, they go anywhere they go. Now me at the look for. Not be saying a woman not see is there Precious Meg. Women where they call me. If they call, say I don't answer, they go stop by themselves. Women where they call me every day, what would they talk? They talk and go outside, they call me, and don't answer, they go stop by themselves. If you get any woman waiting for a miss, I be one dragon, may come where me I did. I'll talk the words of wisdom for a brain. Before I spend 3 days, 4 days for the area, I feel that one feel can rent hotel for her. Before I spend 3 days, 4 days, me with her the day for morning and evening, I talk words for a head. Maybe before I come out, it go change. When I they go church, pastor go preach for now, I go change. Now so me I say be if that man at the trillion, maybe at the trillion, I dey play while you ask go take come where I dey. If he come, maybe if he come reach us, you now see the changes where he go dey for a body. Now we dey do one. You are a coward. You come up for live video, no bath. Come lay one for her. That's why we wife from. We not fit train the wife. Now me buy ticket for her. Now me go drop her for airport too. Now my car take go drop her for airport too. No be we enter taxi go airport. Now me go drop her for airport too. You cannot even sit down and reason what you want to say. Papa Wala will feed your generation. If you feed your generation, I'm saying to the world today, Papa Wala cannot feed my generation. If he has money for himself. And if you only want word for you, now because now Papa Wala you can't insult me, but you are Papa Wala, that's why I go to give you now. I go to give you now. Anyone work from you today, Precious Meg, or go work Precious Meg. Anyone work for you. If I insult you, I go to insult Papa Wala now. You're a coward. You took your land more than me. Praise my people. Bye.